Hi, this is Brent McCall with Ethereal and Big Dog at C6002 at InfoComm 2026. What you see in front of you is the latest iteration of our MAVBase software, which allows you to control our Big Dog power products with tremendous flexibility. Now, immediately in front of you is our dummy page. This is designed for consumers to make it, for your end users to make a simple one-button control. But for the real people, let's talk about what you can do with this. Let's go to devices. I can pick any of the devices that are on this system and know what's happening as well as be able to control it. This, for example, is a 12-outlet device. You can see each of the individual outlets, what kind of wattage, how much amperage, voltage, and how many hours that device has been up. Now from this, we can also check to see, is our UPS healthy? Our MOVs healthy? Because our surge protection is hot swappable. We want to know it's in good shape. It's easy to set up notifications if it drops. If you are connected to our UPS, for example, your power shedding is now very simple. You can determine at what voltage or battery power a device goes off. Now my modem, I want to keep that on as long as possible so that when power goes back on, my modem's ready to go. So we're going to keep that to 10%. My amplifier, well, I don't need power on the amp because I've got no source because power's off. My network switch, I'm going to keep to 20%. And my router, I'm also going to keep to 20%. The rest of these I would turn off because they're inconsequential. When power comes back on, this is exactly how it will come back up. When your power on your batteries hits 10%, the modem will come on. When the power hits 20%, the router and the network switch will come on. Everything that you turned off at AC loss, you do have to manually engage because we don't want it to kill the UPS. Come on down to C6002 and see the latest in Big Dog MAVBase software. Thank you.